Hi, in front of me is NOKIA C20 and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose sound, and over here click on vibrate full calls to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. If you want to enable them, choose always vibrate or vibrate first then ring. And if you want to disable them, just choose never vibrate. After that, go back, click on shortcut to prevent ringing and select vibrate over here if you want to. If you don't, you can always turn off this feature completely or just select mute. You can also scroll down, click on advanced, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to charging sound and vibration and start vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!